Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't really have too much of an update, but I am out here in the middle of cleaning my engine bay, and I just thought I would film a quick video just to sort of show you around my car. It doesn't look amazing right now, it hasn't been washed, it's a bit tacky, and I'm waiting for the body shop to reopen so I can get my car painted and the rust treated, so it's not looking in the best of shape right now, but I thought I would just introduce it to the channel. So this currently is what my engine bay looks like. I am going to be doing a video to show you all the mods I've got here and just sort of name all the parts I've got in my bay, but yeah. So yeah, that's basically what my car looks like currently. I do have a lot of changes that are happening, but yeah, so it doesn't look amazing at the moment, but like I said, it's going to the body shop. It's going to have the wheels refurbed. Like I said, it doesn't look amazing at the moment, it definitely needs a little bit of TLC, but it's my baby and it's getting there. I just need to keep pushing, and I need the body shop to open so I can get it resprayed. And yes, it is changing colour. No, I'm not telling anyone yet. You can guess in the comments if you'd like, but I don't know if I'll confirm it or not, but yeah. Cool, thanks for watching guys. It's just a little introduction of my car to the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe. I will be doing a sort of mod list of my engine bay to show you guys on the next video. I'll also be doing something slightly different of like an autographs highlights from last year from when we were racing. So yeah, definitely subscribe so you don't miss out any videos, and make sure to like and comment. All support is just so great. I'm so grateful for all the support, really. So just thank you to everyone who continues to watch my videos. The page is slightly growing now, so yeah, thanks guys, see you again soon, bye.